Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer domains with GoDaddy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer a domain with GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the domains section of your account. Select the domain you wish to transfer. Click on the settings icon associated with your selected domain. Scroll down until you find the additional settings section. Locate the transfer domain away from GoDaddy option. Read the information provided about transferring your domain. Click on the Get Authorization Code button. This code is essential for the transfer process. Check your email for the authorization code sent by GoDaddy. Once you have the code, log into the account where you want to transfer the domain. Locate the domain transfer section in that account. Enter the domain name you wish to transfer. Paste the authorization code in the designated field. Follow any additional prompts required by your new registrar. Make sure to verify your contact email address for the transfer. Submit the transfer request. Monitor your email for any notifications about the transfer status. It may take several days for the transfer to complete. Ensure you have access to both accounts until the transfer is finalized. Once complete, your domain will be with the new registrar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.